This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you September 4th, 2021. And man, have we had a wonderful week. For all of those who hold Ethereum, congratulations. I just wanted to dig into it. I'm beating on the Ethereum horse. I know right now I'm supposed to be at the other end of the spectrum in the top 100, the bottom 10 of the top 100, and we are going to get back to that. But what is about to take place with Ethereum, I believe, is going to be another historic all-time high coming very, very soon. And I just want to dig into what could potentially be causing this. And you know, it's a sad thing when you sit and talk to people about investing in cryptocurrency, and you know, you run into the naysayers. You're still running into people who just think this is some kind of fad. They see all the stuff talking about the crypto punks and the NFTs, and they're looking at Engine Coin, and they're looking at all these different coins, and it looks faddish, but they don't understand the nature of decentralized finance and the point of blockchain technology. So on this channel, we try to explore these technologies and understand exactly what they could possibly be used for, their utility, okay, the capability that they give. I know it's just going to be a sad day when we look back at this $3,900 Ethereum and it's gone. You know, people thought that, oh, it got knocked down to $2,000, it'll never come back. And here it is, almost back to its all-time high. Boy, it's going to be just crazy when we're talking about, remember when it was just $4,000. Remember when you could have got it for $2,500. Hey, but what do I know, right? I'm saying it's going to go to $8,000 before the end of the year. And maybe we need to add just one more reason why that could happen. Let's delve into this article over here on Decrypt. I guess this is decrypt.co. It says that, on September 3rd, this article is published. It says more Ethereum has been burned than minted in the past 24 hours. I'm going to say it again. More Ethereum has been burned than minted in the past 24 hours. This is an article by Jeff Benson. It says EIP 1559 was supposed to bring deflationary pressure to the network. It's working. In brief, EIP 1559 was a code change that allowed transaction fees to be burned, that placed deflationary pressure on Ethereum. The pressure has helped raise the price of ETH. When EIP 1559 was introduced to Ethereum last month, it was supposed to slow down the rate at which the supply of ETH grows. But over the last 24 hours, the supply of ETH isn't growing at all. It's shrinking. So stop right there. When your supply shrinks, the value of the asset goes up. Supply and demand, right? Standard supply and demand. More Ethereum has been burned on the network than minted over the last 24 hours. Okay, this was, I guess that happened on the 2nd of September, and they're reporting on it on the 3rd. And here I am bringing it to you on the 4th. Meaning there's less ETH available today than there was yesterday. Ethereum experts believe this is the first for the network. This is the first. Hello? We almost got pushed up to all-time highs in the wake of EIP 1559 being introduced. EIP 1559 was proposed coding change to Ethereum blockchain that allowed block size to expand so that more transactions could be sent through the network. And the Ethereum network has struggled with congestion thanks to the popularity of NFTs and decentralized finance apps such as lending protocol AAVE and exchange Uniswap, as such tools use the network's finite resources. See, this is what people are missing. I love this article because they're highlighting the fact that so many other coins out there are basically ERC-20 tokens, or utilizing the Ethereum framework and blockchain technology to basically give their capability. Ethereum can't help but go up because there's too many other assets dependent on that blockchain. I mean, you can really make a case that Ethereum is grossly undervalued. I believe it's possible that Ethereum could not only catch Bitcoin in market cap, but could surpass it one day just because of the number of tokens that are dependent on that blockchain to exist. It goes on to say part of the proposal was to mandate a base fee for each transaction instead of fees continuing to go to the miners who validate network transactions. The base fee would get burned, taken out of circulation by being sent to a wallet that can't be accessed. The idea was to reduce the total supply of ETH, which, unlike Bitcoin, has no eventual cap. Okay? As a result, the price of Ethereum would theoretically rise to meet demand. While EIP 1559 reduces the rate at which ETH supply grows, it does not necessarily lower the supply of ETH. That's because with each block produced, miners get to keep their newly minted ETH. As long as the amount of newly minted mined ETH is higher than the base fees burned, the overall supply of ETH increases. Let's look at this one little detail here. In the last 24-hour period spanning Thursday and Friday, the total growth turned negative. More ETH was burned than 12,500 to 13,000 ETH being issued to miners. This can happen as the base fee adjusts upwards during periods of higher demand for Ethereum transactions. Was it DeFi investing, NFT purchasing, gaming? They don't know. Okay? DeFi Pulse co-founder Scott Lewis and Week and Ethereum News founder Evan Van Ness believes this is the first such instance of Ethereum turning deflationary. Interesting. So while we're sitting here thinking that ETH can't grow, some people out there think, well, Bitcoin is the gold standard. All these other blockchains are utilizing Ethereum, whether it's ERC-20, 1559, whatnot. They're using the Ethereum blockchain, the smart contract capability, and the fact of it that it has this kind of utility to build their foundation for their assets that they're trying to put out there. And we see the result. And now they've come up with a way to try to make this thing deflationary, which is going to also cause the price of Ethereum to continue to rise. I'm going to say it again for the people in the back row, the people who haven't subscribed. Please subscribe. Here we go again. My price prediction for Ethereum is $8,000 by close of business 2021. Can we get there? We'll just have to wait and see. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Throw up the likes, throw up the shares, and I'll catch you on the next one.